Escape the hustle of Istanbul with these incredible day trip ideas. Discover hidden treasures, cultural spots, and natural wonders nearby.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Experience a personalized chauffeur-driven tour with an expert guide who possesses deep insight into Istanbul's bustling streets and landmarks. Our experienced drivers navigate through the city efficiently, ensuring smooth travel for both business meetings and leisurely excursions. Embark on a journey through the mesmerizing realm of Turkish mosaic lamp crafting. Unearth the profound history of these enchanting lamps, which hold significant cultural importance within Turkish society. Join us for an exclusive small group cruise aboard our luxurious yacht, embarking on a serene journey through the breathtaking waters of the Bosphorus. As twilight descends upon Istanbul, witness the enchanting spectacle of the sun setting over the azure horizon, illuminating the skyline with a kaleidoscope of hues and lights. Embark on a luxurious evening cruise through the enchanting waters of Istanbul, offering breathtaking vistas of the iconic Bosphorus Strait. This exquisite experience includes sailing aboard a state-of-the-art yacht, where guests can immerse themselves in the vibrant ambience of traditional Turkish folk dancing. Embark on a captivating journey through the heart of Turkish coffee culture, where every sip carries profound significance within Turkish society. Experience firsthand the artisanal process of grinding your very own beans and crafting a perfect cup of Turkish coffee using a traditional sezve pot. Upon arrival at your designated location, either your hotel or the port, you will be met by our professional guide, who will escort you aboard a luxurious yacht for an exclusive 2-hour cruise along the picturesque Bosphorus Strait. This serene journey offers breathtaking vistas of Istanbul and its captivating waterfront landscapes. The Bosphorus Night Tour with dinner and Turkish night show offers a luxurious and engaging experience in Istanbul. Starting from the pier, guests embark aboard a modern vessel equipped with amenities including indoor and outdoor seating areas, as well as a bar serving refreshments.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.